test. Is it working? All right. Let me see. All right, we're live, I think. One sec. Okay. Hopefully you guys can all hear me. I'm going to post this to the Discord. I want to see if it. Let me see if I can actually test. That's crazy. Oh wow, that's really, holy cow. It's like not delayed at all. Alright, there we go. And it doesn't play. Okay, it's not playing the scanner over the stream. Let's see if I can fix that. Oh. Oh. I fixed it. Alright. Now that I'm done effing around with that. Perfect. Alright, what do we got? Does my voice sound better than it did in the last stream? Because it should sound way better. I don't know if it's loud enough. Let me know. I'm try to move it closer to my mouth. Is that pretty loud, the scanner? I wonder. I'm gonna post this stream to StockTwits too, because why not?
LMFA SGLB. SGLB.
SGLB. You guys are gonna hear the, what's it called? The scanner with me, and then we're just gonna kind of go from there. It should be
LAIX.
It should be like not delayed at all, so you
Adil.
guys should be able to catch it pretty quick if I can catch it too. These are mostly just gonna be shorts. I won't really be doing like trading, I guess. I mean, I guess that is trading, but you know what I mean. So basically, I guess I'll wait till more people get in here. But my main plays, this, don't look at this. This is just a mess. I put top watches here. I don't know why I put that. My main play was FMCI today. Just gorgeous. I really loaded up Friday. I actually loaded a bunch right here. I don't think I alerted it because we were already in, but I like loaded a bunch right here because I was expecting the extension to get approved like that day. Turns out it got approved Saturday, So when I saw that, I got really excited. I knew that we were gonna have a gap up like this, and I almost actually woke up for this, but I just decided to sleep in, and I actually got to sell at a better price, so it worked out. Anyways, we still have 10 minutes left, so I'll wait for a recap until after. We can see what we get here.
Peg.
So essentially, when I trade, I literally just listen for the scanner,
SGLB.
and I literally just wait for that to find me stuff. And then if I'm like trying to short,
OXBR.
I'll go on to StockTwits, see if anyone's talking about it, see if there's news.
MDJH.
The scanner's gonna get really crazy here, probably.
FEDU.
That's boring.
NTZ.
So a lot of the pops here that scanner calls are pretty boring. This one's decent. But anyways, when I'm looking for a short, I hear the scanner, I go look, I see how much it's up. Usually I aim for up 30 or 40%. I love when stuff gaps up for like no reason and then halts up. Those are awesome. And then I just go try to see if there's news, and if there's not, then I usually go for it. I don't really look at the daily as much as I probably should, but I just day trade mine. The best one today, PFMT. Essentially, they've had no news today. They had an article of someone saying, what did the article say? It said
SGLB.
something about
Pixie.
them like being a really good recovery play, and he said in the next year he thinks it'll hit $2 and something. But that's no reason for the stock to move up like 80%. So I just market shorted that one, and boom. Tat as a top swing. Pass. Now this might actually be a good round too. Let's see.
Ombo.
There's just not a lot popping right now. Ombo. These guys had news with Amazon, I think. Someone said Tat was going, or oh no. PFMT. So I'm kind of watching this one. I'd like to get it. I'd like it to break the high again.
FEDU.
That'd be like the perfect short, because it's definitely going to come back down. We're about 5 minutes away from close.
MDJH.
MDJH.
That's
literally nothing. Why is the scanner calling this? OXBR on the scanner. Today was just boring for this one, except that pop. But besides that, it's just been slow sell off.
TGOXBR.
I'm on that ticker.
SDPI.
Graph is doing well. I alerted that today. 23.15. That's what I filled at. I tried to fill 23. I couldn't. But that's doing good. Into the merger vote. Should do well in after hours too. I have that in a different account. This account I literally just use for day trading. And I'm literally in nothing right now on this one.
AACG.
Not in anything yet. Nothing to really buy right now, or sell, or short.
Ombo.
Ombo's boring.
OAC.
OAC. What do we got? Another SPAC. How's SBE doing? Oh wow. My daily chart's been messed up. Whenever I look at the daily,
STAF.
it doesn't actually show me the candle like for the last day. So I have to like find it myself. STAF on the scanner. Small pop. Pretty boring.
OMVO. Oxbrew. IEA.
Oh yeah, graph's going. Sava dipping, Pola, PFMT. What's PFMT doing? I would love this to freaking break a new high, because I don't think this one doesn't have like, there's no pumpers on it. It's just moving like off actually people buying. So it's really
LMFA.
easy to short this one because there's shares left, even though it's dipped from 119 all the way down here. Usually with most stocks, the shares will already be gone. This one still has them available. My favorite short is Genus though.
HUSN.
Genus always has shares because their float is huge. So anytime they pump up, you'll always find short shares. Real nice.
PED. CCCL. SDPI.
CCCL, SDPI. All these are kind of boring. Like I said, the scanner will just call out random stuff here towards close. None of it's like really good, but Galt is not shortable. PFMT, if it wants to get up there, maybe
CREG.
I short it.
CHRA.
CHRA, boring. So I literally just sit here for 5 hours and then take a, well, I sit for like 2 or 3 hours and then I take a break and then I do it again. There is not much.
LEU.
What?
FEDU.
FEDU's popping a little bit. The low today was 64, the high is 75. Well, I guess the high is 85. Wow. That's crazy.
SGLB.
Huh. It's really low. That's weird volume too. They didn't have news. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, this is a good short.
LMFA.
LMFA. Freaking Stock Authority's been all over LMFA all day.
OMVO.
It's crazy.
AJX.
AJX. What do we got? Nothing. Boring. I love it when it calls out new tickers.
MDJH.
I was looking at FMCI. I kind of want to swing this into tomorrow. The market just closed. It closed really boring. And I don't know how I feel about this chart right now.
BZH.
It could definitely come back down at least to like 22. I don't think it'll come down all here. I think support's moved up now. I might move my lines up. Support should be around here, but I don't even think it'll hit that low. Realistically, this should be probably support now. Yeah, right around here is support. All right, after hours is starting. What do we got? Anything? Come on, scanner. Oh, the market's not closed yet. My computer is 2 minutes off.
Oxbrew YGYI OPHC
Oh, that's big.
KNSA
KNSA
OAC
OPHC
EDEL LMFA WWR
WWR.
SCU.
Oh, this is boring. No, no, no. All these are boring pops. We need bigger ones.
LQDT
LQDT
MTSC OSGLT.
Holy cow, that was loud. Alright, the market's closed. What do we got?
TATA
I
VNRX
can't hear you.
FEDU
FEDU. This is weird.
KLDO
KLDO. This one is so weird. Okay, it popped on low volume.
FEDU SGLB
FEDU SGLB. This one will probably come straight back down. This thing has been just garbage. Even this day when I had news, it was garbage. Just gonna make a quick stock to its post while we wait for the scanner.
FAMI
Neurocrine, ticker NBIX, company out with a press release highlighting it will present new data analysis of its once daily Ongentys in
MDJH.
patients with Parkinson's at the American Neurological Association meeting. That's going to be October 4th to 9th. That's ticker NBIX.
NBIX. Ah, that's lame though because they're a large cap. They won't move much.
Altimmune, ticker ALT, press release here, company to highlight intranasal COVID-19 vaccine and therapeutic programs at the World Vaccine Congress. That's going to be taking place today through October 1st. That's ticker ALT.
It's decent
OXBR
news. Apparently PEC is going crazy right now. Just a little bit. That's insane though. They should not be up here. I would short that if they had shares. It's crazy that that stuff keeps running. And Sunworks, that's ridiculous.
Cisco, ticker CSCO, shares moving higher here after hours on some volume. It's ticker CSCO.
Cheapers. Not much popping still. Maybe it's gonna be a boring after hours again. Apple's moving up. I don't see why. XBR is actually MDJH. This one's been on the scanner a couple of times. It just doesn't have volume. I don't know why it keeps hitting the scanner. It's weird. Confused why this one is a favorite.
PEG NBRA
Oh, it's going.
Omvo.
There is nothing today. I think CBAT is popping again. Yeah, a little bit. Not enough to do anything, doggone it. Flux. Believe they had earnings. Already dipping, doggone it. Alright.
Transmedics ticker TMDX company announcing it will temporarily postpone its OCS Heart FDA advisory panel committee meeting.
That's lame news.
The meeting was scheduled for October 7th. Company saying the postponement will allow the FDA time to review additional already collected short and longer term data from the OCS Heart Expand trial and Expand Continue Access protocol. That ticker Tango Mike Delta X-ray.
Got my Red Bull. Come on, what's poppin'? What's poppin'? I got 9 viewers, so comment. What's poppin'? Anything? 10 viewers. Something's poppin'. What do we got? Cheapers. There's just nothing worth doing. Flux is bouncing again, it looks like. Up 30% now. Might be decent. Don't want to get caught in it though. What was their earnings? Let's see. See if I can find them on my other screen here. Sunworks. Should be announced. Revenue increased 81% to 16 million. Now what's their market cap? How do I find I don't freaking know how to find that on here. On my laptop I have a button that shows me all that on Webull, but SPY had a shelf offering. Wow. That's gonna kill all their momentum. I knew they had to come down. That's ridiculous. That should kill Sunworks. Yeah, that's gonna kill Sunworks. That should kill Peck. Oh yeah. That's crazy. I'm gonna take some here in a
Fox
second.
Brew.
I might have missed my opportunity here. I might have been too slow. Oh, maybe not. Take
Umbo.
1,000. See. I better wait. I better wait just a little bit. Let's just see. This is a short. I'm not buying it. Just wait and see. Okay, it's really popping. Up that a little bit. Wow. It's acting weird. I'll try it here. 8.2. Oh, of course there's... No shares. Opinion on space. I believe someone in our Discord alerted to short it today. Hopefully they covered Fatty. I like space. The chart, I mean, they've always had support right around here. It's always a good place to buy, right here in the 14s, 15s. It's at resistance here. I think tomorrow it probably comes down. I don't know anything about any upcoming news or catalysts or anything. But yeah, I'm assuming it'll come down. Let's see, they did have news today, it looks like. Just a few little pieces of news. They got 2 upgrades, that's why they're up today. Okay, that makes sense. Alright. Well, nothing's popping, and I totally forgot that I actually have marriage counseling in like 15 minutes. But I do want to do, I'll at least have another stream tomorrow. I might actually do it like in the morning too, rather than just in after hours, just to see. I mean, it doesn't bother me doing a stream just to see what's popping. Post it on StockTwits, just show some of my day trades. Because like I said, this is just my day trading account, but yeah. So I will be back tomorrow, but I'm gonna call it a day since there's literally no runners, so there's no point in even being here. Alrighty, I'll see you guys tomorrow.